The CoinSeries channel appreciates your continued support. Request from viewer is, who is your favorite CEO, and who is the best coin for you? You can also comment your opinion. Thank you to all the subscribers of our CoinSeries. Who came to our channel CoinSeries? You will always be info with the latest CoinSeries news. Number 1, CEO Brad Garlinghouse XRP and Ripple. Number 2, CEO Grayscale SEC. Number 3, CEO JP Morgan Bitcoin. Number 4, CEO Brian Armstrong Coinbase. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Larry Fink just broke the terrible news about XRP. Anyone with an interest in the project or XRP coins should make it a point to keep up with all the newest news on XRP. The last 24 hours saw 1.2 million worth of transactions, with XRP currently trading at 54 cents. The price of XRP has decreased 4.1% over the past week, but it has up 1.2% during the past day. There are a total of 100 billion XRP coins, with 48 billion currently in circulation. Please keep in mind that these costs can have changed by the time you watch the video. Since this is not a financial advice piece, you should exercise caution if you decide to invest in the Bitcoin market. So, do your own research before you put your money down. Buying and trading XRP on these exchanges is among the most popular things to do online. Bitstamp, Toro, GateHub, the time has come to get down to brass tacks. I'm done talking. The film XRP Releases depicts Ripple's resistance to the SEC's discovery motion. We may view the video now. The cryptocurrency industry is in limbo due to the ongoing legal battle between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The summary ruling in the XRP case has been beneficial to both parties. But most recently, Ripple filed a detailed answer arguing against the SEC's motion to demand discovery following a complaint, in response to the SEC's petition. According to their most current filings, Ripple is battling the SEC's attempt to compel them to submit audited financial accounts for 2022 and 2023. They are aiming their response at Judge Net Byrne. During this procedure, you will be asked to disclose any contracts that involve the sale or transfer of XRP to non-employee counterparties after the complaint was submitted. Additionally, you will be asked to reply to an interrogatory regarding the amount of XRP sales proceeds received by institutions for specific contracts after the complaint was filed. One of the key reasons opposing the SEC's demands was the ripple effect in the filings. Before anything else, Ripple argues that the demands are too late and that the SEC could have obtained the necessary materials during the open fact discovery process. Therefore, there is no compelling reason for them to ask for it now. The Council for Ripple's highlighted past situations where discovery was conducted after the complaint was filed. They seem to be trying to indicate that the SEC had previously stated that the actions taken after a complaint were insufficient. What's the matter? The second reason, as stated by Ripple, is that the SEC has failed to offer merit-based explanations for all of its petitions. The Commission maintains that the requested information has nothing to do with the court's remedy determination. It was concerning to Ripple that the SEC was planning to request a summary determination. After a formal complaint has been lodged, the status of investment contracts is subject to weather waves. In order to avoid potential problems and delays, Ripple warns against using such a summary approach and emphasizes the importance of a thorough proceeding based on the merits. Also, Ripple argues that the SEC shouldn't have access to the information after the complaint has been filed, especially because the facts are already known. In its final paragraph, the letter warns that the removal of procedural protections by SECs might trigger a second full-blown case. Be informed that the ongoing legal battle has had a devastating effect on Ripple's native coin, XRP. The price of XRP has fallen by more than 12% so far this year. Recent events show that XRP's losing trend is far from finished, as the cryptocurrency failed to generate a green index. Ignorant ETF rejected reportedly. Blackrock, the largest asset manager in the world, has said that it will not be creating a slot. A cryptocurrency investment trust XRP allegedly, Blackrock, the largest asset manager on the planet, has shot down speculation that it is about to launch an exchange-traded fund, ETF, centered around spot XRP. The announcement was made by renowned financial journalist Charles Gasparino through X references to authoritative sources regarding regulatory ambiguity. Gasparini states that the absence of clear regulation of XRP is one of the primary reasons BlackRock made this decision. According to a Fox Business article, big asset managers like BlackRock are wary of investing in XRP through an exchange-traded fund since they don't know how the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit will turn out. Because to Judge Torres's ruling, XRP is in a regulatory gray area, where it is neither fully classed as a security nor completely unclassified, as Mr. Marino puts it. The writer asserts that conventional financial institutions ought to refrain from investigating XRP-based exchange-traded funds, ETFs, because of the intricacy of the decision and the possibility of an appeal. Lots of people in the cryptocurrency sector were wondering if an XRP ETF would ever be possible before BlackRock made their announcement. This rumor was started by a statement made by BlackRock CEO Larry Fink in an interview with Fox Business. Despite the enthusiasm and anticipation of financial experts and investors, the XRP ETF concept is still vague and undefined. Many in the market were hoping that additional cryptocurrencies like XRP and Ethereum would soon be able to access products like these, and the fact that the SEC approved a Bitcoin spot ETF just added fuel to the fire. The co-founder of Valkyrie Funds, Steve McClurg, expressed this position in a Bloomberg interview. Crypto investors' fascination with the first release of XRP and other cryptocurrencies persists in the present day. One thing that came out of these talks was that most investors thought Genesis did insider trading of some kind, which led to an unfair token distribution. A number of community members have been casting doubt on Genesis and recent occurrences. The XRP token is the latest coin to come under fire for this. The chief technologist of Ripple, David Schwartz, has so chosen to personally respond to these issues. Tell me where I can find the Genesis block. The Bitcoin community reacted negatively to David Schwartz's tweet earlier this week, in which he mocked the perspective of a Bitcoin maxi. This individual and he supposedly had a conversation in which Bitcoin maxi supposedly said that XRP was useless, and Schwartz mocked the idea, claiming that a debate about the valuelessness of XRP would inevitably lead to a disagreement about the cryptocurrency's legitimacy. The ex-Megaman X player questioned the Ripple CTO about the possibility that other blockchains had also lost their Genesis blocks in response to SC's comments in his piece. In case you're unfamiliar, the XRP ledger starts at hash 32,569 instead of the usual starting point for blockchains. However, Ripple CTO defended the XRP ledger, saying that determining the Genesis block is a subjective matter. Further, he implies that the world's second-largest cryptocurrency, Ethereum, had comparable problems in its beginnings, and cites an untraceable $6 million Ethereum transaction as proof of this. Even Ethereum had non-blockchain transactions, as Schwartz explains. He would know because he was the only one who carried out this massive deal. Where is Genesis and the XRP supply distribution? Schwartz persisted in defending the XRP ledger even after being asked to provide any transactions included in the Genesis block. It is his contention that 0 transactions were included in the Genesis block. Even though 32,570 blocks are no longer present in the network, Ripple's chief technology officer revealed that only 534 transactions took place within them. Consequently, the consensus now holds that the initial blocks deleted all of those transactions. The Ripple chief technology officer also discloses the initial allocation of the entire XRP supply. Of the initial allocation, the founders got 20%, Jed McCaleb got 9%, and Chris Larson got 5%. Pitch without fail. To raise the total for founders to 20%, the remaining 2% went to third founder Arthur Brito. Please understand that our intention in creating this channel is not to offer you financial advice or to sell you any stocks. Today was a watershed moment. Please support me by subscribing to my channel. Until we meet again, goodbye.